Good evening, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is movies and television serials must be made on our national heroes. Ladies and gentlemen, why I am saying this? Because if we follow the path of our national heroes, we will also become like them. We know the stories of our national heroes, what they have done for the country, what sacrifices they have made for the country, and how hard they fought to make this India free from the hands of cruel British people. Ladies and gentlemen, their entire life they sacrificed for making India free. And not only they were concerned about making India free, but they were also concerned about making India a developed nation. When freedom fighters were fighting against British people, they were not having only this idea in their mind that they are going to make India free from British people one day, but they were having a fixed plan that after making free India from British people, they will do everything possible to make this country a developed nation, because British people have already spoiled the value, the culture of this country. So ladies and gentlemen, their major concern was not just about making India free. Their major concern was to think about further growth and development of the country when this country becomes a free nation from the hands of British people. But it is very sad to know that the great people who gave us freedom, they are not there with us when we got freedom. British people killed them. But the point is, they were not fearful. They were always fearless, and they were always ready to lay down their lives for their country. Ladies and gentlemen, television serials and movies, they put a deep impact on the mind of viewers, be it children, be it adults. That's why if we want to inculcate moral and crucial values in the minds of people, we need to make movies on national figures. We need to make large number of TV serials on national figures, so that by the mode of television serials and by mode of movies, we can make people understand that what was the real value of freedom fighters in our life. What steps they took to make India free, along with that, what steps they took to ensure that even after getting freedom, India grows consistently. What was their moral character and moral value? There were certain moral characters and moral values associated with every freedom fighter, ladies and gentlemen. And it was all because of those moral values and moral ethics, because of which they were fearless. They were fearless. And if we put light on such kind of characters, if we tell our young generation that what was their value for this country and what they did for their country, the feeling of dedication towards nation will also get developed in the mind of young generation. And young generation, when they grow up, they will do everything that is possible to make India even more developed nation. Because right now, ladies and gentlemen, there are many people who are from India, who are born in India, but still they hate India. Most of the times, you might have seen in newspapers and TV channels, people are born in India, they are studying in India, they are purely Indian, but still they hate India. Time and again they raise slogans against their own country. Such type of feelings must be curbed from the minds of young generation, because these are the people who will become the future of nation one day and contribute in the growth and development of the nation. If we make large number of television serials and movies on freedom fighters and the people of national value, good character will get developed in the personality of young generation. They will get rid of this idea of hating India and raising slogan against India, and their minds will be full of love and dedication towards their nation. Ladies and gentlemen, as I have already said, once again I am repeating this thing, that television visual element always puts a deep impact in the mind of people as compared to any other mode of communication, be it written, be it any other form of communication. Visual communication always puts a great impact on the mind of people. That's why by the mode of visual communication, national integration can be developed in the mind of young generation. That's why, ladies and gentlemen, large number of television serials and large number of movies must be made on national figures, so that we can make young generation understand that the freedom that they are enjoying right now, it is a result of hard work, dedication, and a long fight with British people. Once our young generation understands this thing, they will work wholeheartedly in the direction of growth of their nation with full respect in their heart for their country. This is the most crucial thing. When you are working for your country, you must have full respect in your heart for it. That is the point. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.